working with them was a joy. I learned a lot of things that, because I would ask a lot of questions. What are you looking at? Why? Why are you picking that? Why are you choosing this? And they would explain it. And that helped me to understand and broaden my vision into what should I be looking at when I go into these spaces. So it was very helpful. It was a pleasure. And not only just the data of walking through the buildings and assessing the physical needs, they took into account what do you need to be able to educate in this particular space properly. I was very excited to hear about it. We didn't have a lot of documentation to indicate what needed to be done next or what had been done in recent or past history. Many things were like that. We just didn't have references to go back to. So this process was very exciting to get into when they described what it can do and where it can take us and the information and data that it can provide.